'Tis the bug spray season, and I've been receiving a few messages asking for recipes and questions about what do I use when I go hiking. So basically I use this little bottle, and when I go hiking, and then when I'm going camping or long hikes I use the big guy, and then this is the spray. See that mist is pretty amazing, so that's good for like full body coverage or big areas. So I love that, and these are the oils that we use. The recipe I'll post on the EvolveEO Facebook page. And then last year the pilot was released and I love that, and I did a video on that. It's cordless, comes in a cute little bag, and then you can put all your oils and stuff in there, and it also has the adapter for the car, so it can be like diffuser in your car, which is amazing. And this year they kind of kicked it up a notch and they did the Roam, and it's cordless as well. So this is better for me personally for home or when I go to the cottage to do big areas. And these two I will only use my recipe here, and so basically I'll put my recipe here into this little jar without any water, and then I'll just add a little droplet and to these guys, and then add water. So I have it pre-made, so I don't have to carry all these oils with me. It's pre-made. Add it with water, and it's done. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy, and that's it. So if you have any other questions, let me know, and I'll do a video, or I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. Okay, I hope you are